Alright man, what's good y'all? It's me again, Gymaholic. Today we're gonna talk about the best foods to gain weight and muscle fast. Obviously you can't really gain muscle fast, under exclamation points, but we try. Today we will talk about some foods with high amounts of protein, carbohydrates, or short for carbs, and healthy fats. And I got some more tips for y'all motherfuckers. Alright. So let's start with protein. It's essential for muscle growth and repair, which means that if you drink enough protein, your muscles grow and actually repair, the broken up tissue that you got. And many people don't really know that there, but yeah, they repair your muscles too. Which means that if you get enough protein in you, you won't get really sore, some foods with high in protein are chicken. Those got 27 grams per 100 grams. Beef, 26 grams per 100 grams. We got fish, 22 grams per 100 grams. Nuts, 20 grams. Eggs, 17 grams. And milk is at the bottom with 3.4 grams. And yeah, man, let's go to the carbs, carbohydrates, short for carbs. Those shits are the primary source of energy, which if you're feeling like you're having a shit day in your gym, not feeling energized and shit, that's probably the reason why you haven't eaten enough carbs. And it also supports intense workouts, which means that you feel more energized and muscle growth because your muscles need carbs. Alright, some foods that are high in carbs are rice with 28 grams, pasta with 25 grams, bananas with 23 grams, potatoes with 17, and vegetables with 30 grams. Like I always say, man, never stop eating your vegetables. They got so many vitamins and minerals in them. And yeah, I'll probably make a video about that too. Now we'll move on to fats, aka healthy fats, because nobody wants to eat pizza or potato chips and expects to grow, You'll grow probably from your belly more than from your biceps. So yeah, fats are essential for good health and muscle growth, just like all the others. Foods that are high in healthy fat are olive oil with 100 grams per 100 grams, so it's all fat. Some nuts with 45 grams and then some avocados with 20 grams. Fat also supports healthy skin, hair and nails. So that's also pretty nice, If you wanna be balding at the age of 25, stop eating your fats, my brother. Here are some more tips. The best foods to gain muscle fast should include all three. That means protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Supports muscle and repair, which leads to faster muscle growth. Already established that. To maximize muscle growth, you need a good workout plan. I got a workout plan in my first video, you can open it up, try to follow it, throw in some accessory work like your shoulders, your arms, your back, and your legs, all the good stuff, and keep going at it for like 3 or 4 months with progressive overload, and you'll see some growth. Also, while you're eating healthy, pick something from all of these. You can also Google yourself, we all got the internet. And yeah, man, that's it. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what other videos you want me to do. If you got any questions, write it in the comments, man, all the good stuff, Alright, goodbye.